Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I am on live session and I would like us to look at the price in terms of what the dollar index is doing. I've been making video on the dollar index, giving you the direction of the market. So we'll be looking at what the dollar is doing currently, and, and you will not you will not you should not be surprised if you are following this channel for quite some time, because I have been you know sh- showing you how to do the top down analysis. So let me know where you please let me know if you can hear me. Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome. So good. So here we have so good. So here we have this. So I had this morning to be daily time frame. The weekly direction was determined. I determined the weekly direction last week, early this week, and I said that we will be going bullish in the weekly direction. And like I said yesterday, we see price was held at this fair value gap because it was this fair value gap that we're looking at. Let's say, for example, there is no today's candle, no yesterday candle, no day before yesterday candle, and then we have this candle and we see it has closed above its previous candle. So what we need to do is to take the 50% and then determine fair value gap within the previous range. And what we were able to achieve yesterday was that uh, price is going to go bullish from the fair value gap because we see that there's no candle closure. So here we have this fair value gap and we see price being held at this fair value gap. So price was going bullish and then price has taken out liquidity above this side. But here is where I entered today. So if you look at the previous range yesterday, if you take the previous range yesterday, that is from yesterday candle, you should see that there is a fair value gap. So here is the previous daily range and we have the midpoint. So let me remove this. So we have this midpoint here, and we have the fair value gap. Sorry, my network is slow and I don't know why. So here we have the fair value gap. Do you see it? We have the fair value gap and also volume imbalance. So this is volume imbalance. I will also have a fair value gap here. And if you look at it, it has another block. So this makes this other block a high probability. So here we have, let me remove this. You see we have this other block and also this fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. So I was expecting price to come inside and take out the liquidity above. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you should be able to see the, so here you see that we have this other block. So all you need to do is to ensure that your entry is at the other block. Do you see how precise this entry is? how precise it is. So we see price came into the order block and boom, it is out. Now you have to also look at it from this perspective. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see something here. Now I know a lot of people wanted to sell here, but the order flow is bullish. You don't need to sell here. If order flow is bullish, you only look for buys. And look at something here. These are pattern traders. What do we call this? It's called edge, something. I cannot even remember. It's called edge, right? Triangle edge, something like that. So we see that price has created this expansion. Normally, if order flow is bearish and you see this, you know that this is a manipulation, but the order flow is bullish. So those pattern traders really make money today because you see this expansion and price came to the order block that started the expansion and we see price going bullish. So the precision entry here is this order block. This order block is the precision entry. Now, how are you going to confirm your entry? Now, the order block is an aggressive entry, but the confirmatory entry, you have to look for change in the state of delivery or market structure shift on the. So here we have, this is the 5 minutes time frame, and we have what? We have market structure shift. So if you want to start, if you want to start buying without waiting for market structure shift, once you're good, you should look out for change in the state of delivery. You see this? The open of this candle, price close above it. Now this becomes your entry, and that is why you see I have my entry at this point, and then boom, you see price has went to our direction. Now let's GBP USD, because if you check, I'm currently on this trade and it is an interesting trade, including Euro USD. I'm on this trade. So if you check, if you are coming from TikTok, if you check my status on TikTok, you'll see that I've posted the entry on TikTok. And I don't know why my network is very slow today. So